Hello student, welcome to our bio class. We have already started with chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce, and we were studying the different type of asexual reproduction, and we have done with fission. Today we are going to study the other type of asexual reproduction. Let us begin with the second one, fragmentation. The word fragment means parts. Here, the organism will divide into parts and each part will have the capacity to grow into a new individual. It takes place in multicellular organism having simple structure. Let us take the example of Spirogyra. This is basically a plant found in water. As you can see here in the diagram, the structure of Spirogyra, first this will divide into part and then each part has the capacity to grow into a new individual. You must be thinking that it is same as binary fission. But here you should know that the binary fission take place in unicellular organism. Here example we have discussed of amoeba and they directly produce two new individual. While fragmentation take place in multicellular organism and here the new formed are not complete, later on the development take place. Let us discuss the third type of asexual reproduction, that is regeneration. Here we are going to discuss regeneration in planaria. Here you can see that the planaria, if accidentally the body is cut down into pieces, then each piece has the power to grow into a new individual. Here I have shown that the pieces, it has been cut down into A, B and C part. Now A part will have capacity to grow the cells of B and C part, while the B part have the capacity to grow C and A type of cell, and they lead to the formation of new individuals. Let us see this regeneration in Hydra. As you can see in the diagram, if accidentally Hydra body part is been cut down into pieces, then each piece has the capacity to grow into a new individual. Regeneration is not considered as reproduction because it takes place only if accidentally these organisms body part are cut and they are capable to reproduce. Otherwise, Hydra undergo reproduction by the process of budding. In some higher organisms, regeneration of body part is possible as they have regenerating cells. For example, arms of starfish, tail of lizard. Regeneration is carried out by specialized cells. These cells grow in size and make large number of cells. From this mass of cell, different cells undergo changes to become various types of cells and tissues. These changes take place in an organized sequence and it is referred as development. Let us now discuss the fourth type of asexual reproduction, that is budding. Here we are going to discuss this in Hydra. Organisms like Hydra have the regenerative cell. You will notice that a bud develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at one specific site. Here you can see that the development of the bud is taking place on the body of Hydra. This will take all the nourishment from it and will develop into a new Hydra. Once it is fully matured, it detaches from the parent body and grow as a separate individual.